Welcome to our new video presentation on IT advisory and consulting. Today we will talk about business and management consulting, what it is, and why should you know about it. Overview. IT advisory strives to deliver business benefits from a broad range of technologies, helping companies to develop high-performing IT functions and leverage investments in current systems to deliver significant business value. IT consulting services support businesses by providing strategic, architectural, operational and implementation planning. IT consulting, in short, helps businesses and organizations embrace innovation, reach their goals more efficiently and integrate technology to improve their business processes and operations. IT advisory and consulting classification. Cloud computing consulting, cost optimization consulting, business continuity management consulting, risk and compliance consulting, data management consulting. Cloud computing consulting. Cloud computing is a new invention that has taken the market by storm. This new way of managing infinite data on the server has made business handling convenient and simple. But sometimes people may find it difficult to analyze their cloud computing needs and the corresponding platform they would need to adopt. That is why an IT advisory becomes the need of the hour. Be it managing the costs, driving flexibility, or complying with the security requirements, IT advisory helps you proficiently maneuver through the cloud management. Types of cloud computing consulting. Business analytics tools. Tools that extract data from business systems and integrate it into a repository, such as a data warehouse, where it can be analyzed. Analytics tools range from spreadsheets with statistical functions to sophisticated data mining and predictive modeling tools. Cloud bursting. A configuration that's set up between a private cloud and public cloud. If 100% of the resource capacity in a private cloud is used, then overflow traffic is directed to the public cloud using cloud bursting. Hybrid cloud. A cloud that combines public and private clouds, bound together by technology that allows data and applications to be shared between them. A hybrid cloud gives businesses greater flexibility to scale up and down and offers more deployment options. That's all for the topic of cloud computing consulting. Now we will be moving on to the next topic, which is cost optimization consulting. Cost optimization consulting. When you are new to the business world, you find explicit ways to cut down on costs. If you put large investments in order to meet the technological needs, there would be no intended profits. Your business needs to know where to invest and what costs to do away with. An IT advisory could help you better in identifying the areas that require monetary investments. Types of cost optimization consulting. Modernization. Modernization of equipment in which old computing hardware may be energy inefficient and slow as compared to new models. Modernization, in short, it is a process of adapting to modern needs or modern technologies and hardwares. Productivity. The output you get for an hour worked, typically improved with automation and tools. For example, farming robots may improve the productivity of a farm as work is shifted from physical tasks towards knowledge work. Proximity. Reducing transportation costs by putting things closer. For example, an e-commerce company that moves from 12 regional distribution centers to 1,200 distribution partners closer to your own computing infrastructure. That's all for the topic of cost optimization consulting. Now we will be moving on to the next topic, which is business continuity management consulting. Business continuity management consulting. Business continuity management is the process of creating systems of prevention and recovery to deal with potential threats to a company. In addition to prevention, the goal is to enable ongoing operations before and during the execution of disaster recovery. Types of business continuity management consulting. IT continuity. IT continuity is a holistic approach to managing technology systems in the event of a major disruption. It may not be practical for any but the most essential IT functions to operate should a crisis occur, so it's important for IT administrators to decide which of the organization's IT functions are essential for business continuity. IT continuity plans should be concise, defining exactly what steps are to be taken during and after a disaster. Disaster recovery. Disaster recovery actions take place after the incident, and response times can range from seconds to days. Disaster recovery is a piece of business continuity planning and concentrates on accessing data easily following a disaster. Emergency management. In emergency management will minimize the impact of a disaster and help you return to normal operations as quickly as possible. Emergency management is a collection of resources, actions, procedures, and information that is developed, tested, and held in readiness for use in the event of a disaster or major disruption of operations. That's all for the topic of business continuity management consulting. Now we will be moving on to the next topic, which is risk and compliance management. Risk and compliance consulting. Risk and compliance consulting partner with management, board members and outside counsel to help organizations comply with regulatory requirements, respond to situations of non-compliance, and improve the processes around information systems supporting governance, risk and compliance. Risk and compliance consulting helps people take a disciplined approach to managing credit, market and operational risks through a combination of assessments, process improvement, and model review and validation. Types of risk and compliance consulting. Credit risk. Even in non-crisis periods, credit losses cost organizations tens of billions of dollars annually. These costs can intensify with suboptimal and ineffective methodologies, processes, and technology. Risk and compliance consulting help many of the world's leading organizations reduce costs and improve returns while matching credit risk strategies to our clients' risk appetites. Market and commodity risk. Understanding your risk profile and true exposure from a profitability, operational and cash flow perspective is at the core of our dedicated market and commodity risk team. Risk and compliance consulting have experience trading, hedging, and controlling risk in order to solve the problems facing management in the fast-paced environment we live in today. Operation risk management. The term operational risk management is defined as a continual cyclic process which includes risk assessment, risk decision-making, and implementation of risk controls, which results in acceptance, mitigation, or avoidance of risk. Operational risk management is the oversight of operational risk, including the risk of loss resulting from inadequate or failed internal processes and systems, human factors, or external events. Unlike other types of risks, operational risk had rarely been considered strategically significant by senior management. That's all for the topic of risk and compliance management. Now we will be moving on to the next topic, which is data management consulting. Data management consulting. Data management is the practice of organizing and maintaining data processes to meet ongoing information lifecycle needs. Emphasis on data management began with the electronics era of data processing, but data management methods have roots in accounting, statistics, logistical planning and other disciplines that predate the emergence of corporate computing in the mid-20th century. Types of data management consulting. Data access. Data access refers to your ability to get to and retrieve information wherever it is stored. Certain technologies can make this step as easy and efficient as possible so you can spend more time using the data, not just trying to find it. Data quality. Data quality is the practice of making sure data are accurate and usable for its intended purpose. This starts from the moment data is accessed and continues through various integration points with other data, and even includes the point before it is published or reported. New product and service development. Data integration is the combination of technical and business processes used to combine data from disparate sources into meaningful and valuable information. A complete data integration solution delivers trusted data from various sources. That's all for the topic of data management consulting. There are some companies that are the best example of management consulting. Boston Consulting Group, IBM Global Technology Services, Cognizant Technology Solutions, Wipro Technologies, Capgemini, Infosys Technologies, Deloitte Consulting, Tata Consultancy Services, Accenture, KPMG. Thank you for watching this video presentation. Please continue to watch our other presentations to learn about technology industry. To follow us on social media, click on the link given in the description. If you like our video presentation and want more presentation on such IT topics, so don't forget to like, share and comment on our video. If you want firstly update of our new video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.